We're here in Lucerne right now. We just arrived here and it took us almost 3 hours to get here from Stuttgart. The weather is so beautiful. That's why we decided spontaneously to go here. We booked everything last minute. So guys, let's go! Bus. Shopping, but everything is closed and Philip is so happy on the other hand. We have to look for ATM machine to get some cash. Second bridge, that's the first one we went to, second, and actually there's a lot more over there. See. We are here at the port now. Found a restaurant, Thai restaurant. That's yum. How much is that pad Thai? 21. Sarap. Is our hotel. It's 15 minutes away from here, so we're gonna go there now and check in. How much? At our hotel now, quick room tour, nice and clean, and our bed. Yeah. Good morning guys, it's our last day here in Switzerland and today we are planning to go to Jungfrau region, particularly in Lauterbrunnen. I've been wanting to go there for a long time. We've been there before 5 years ago and I really wanted to go back there. So that's our plan for today. But before that, let's have breakfast. it's frosty.
Anti-ice spray.
It's not working.
Drop.
You are fully equipped for today's trip, huh? Ballet. It's almost full though, so you have to be early here. We're still so lucky because we're able to find a parking space. So beautiful. It's nice to be back here. Although it's a little bit cloudy today, also colder than yesterday. And then we're also planning to go, there's a nice little town somewhere there, and then we still need to check out how we're gonna get there. I think there's a train going up there. Let's check out how much it costs. So guys, we're headed back to the town center of Lauterbrunnen. There's a Vitse Hunig. I need to go there. Much needed toilet trip. Take a train ride. We're at the train station now.
That's 40.
We bought a one-way ticket to Wengen. That's the train. It's gonna be our first time to go there. There's no cars allowed there. It's like on the top of the valley or mountain something. The only way to get there is to take the train. So that's what we're gonna be doing now. Here at Wengen now, it's about 10-minute drive, and oh, too bad there's no blue sky today, but it's still so beautiful here. And how many meters is it here?
1274.
So you can also take a cable car ride to go up there, even more higher. Oh, so schön zu sehen hier. It's so beautiful here. Ah. Is looking for the guy who left his phone here. Wengen is worth checking out. If you happen to be in Lauterbrunnen, you just have to take the train. It's only 10-minute ride, and then you're gonna be here. It's so beautiful. You can even spot all the valleys. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Check this out, guys. So beautiful.
Zug fährt weiter
Oh, okay.
nach kleinen Fleckeck.
Yeah. Okay. Guys, Wengen is somewhere up there. And now we're back to Lauterbrunnen. The weather is better now. The sky is a little bit bluer. So, gonna walk around a little bit more here. And it's also busier now. Beautiful restaurant here with amazing view.
What?
It's time to say goodbye to Lauterbrunnen. Until next time, as always, it's magical to see the valleys, waterfalls, so beautiful. And we paid, by the way, 8 euros for the parking. Fresh.
Wie?
So we're here at Iseltwald right now. It's only about 17 kilometers away from Lauterbrunnen. So it's a very popular spot among K-drama or Korean drama fans. It's so beautiful here. I think we've been here before when we came here for the first time, but I just didn't, take videos and photos because I don't know why. That's the most popular spot. The most photographed corner here. It's very popular, and there's even a long queue for you to get a photo. Look at the watercolor. It's so blue. How much more when it's summertime? You can definitely go swimming here. Do you like this place here?
Take a bath.
Oh my god, that's nice.
Privat.
Blue. It's colder now, no?